Okay, the scikit-learn isn't working. Let's learn more about unsupervised learning. What unsupervised learning do? It's just try to put the things similar in the front of each other. Sometimes if I remember, I tell you about the k-means. Do you remember the k-means? K-means can use as unsupervised as well. The unsupervised learning are like this. It's very good for sorting the data. And what the thing we want to do, we want to do something like this with the comments. Not something like this. Okay, let's go and see what we can really do with unsupervised learning. I will tell you in a paint what we could do with unsupervised learning. Let's make it a bigger, little. Okay. For example, think we have one rectangle, two rectangle, and for example, three circle. What our unsupervised learning do? It work like this. Let me just zoom out. Sorry everyone, make it here. What our supervised learning do? It's go from the shape, understand that those shapes are similar, and put the similar shape in a one place. It put the two rectangle here and three circle here, and understand the difference between the three types. But one of the tricky parts of unsupervised learning is that for the something that is hard to understand or need human intelligence, we need a lots of data to give to our model. Because of that, we have over 70,000 comments that can use as our data for understanding the best thing out of the model. And it's pretty easy. The hard part is over. What we need now is to create a model and try to predict that. Okay, until then, have a good time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.